The four laws of thermodynamics are fundamental principles in physics that describes how energy moves and changes in a system. They're numbered from 0 to the third law. Here's concise breakdown. Good evening everyone. My name is Engine Cadet Javier. So today's video we tackle about the four law of thermodynamics. First of all, this law is if two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a third system, then they are thermal equilibrium with each other. This law called zeroth law of thermodynamics. This law defines temperature and allow us to use thermometers. In real life example, when you place a thermometer in your mouth or under your arm, it reach thermal equilibrium with your body. The first law of thermodynamics, law of energy conservation. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transfer or transform. In real life example, the first law of thermodynamics is that, for example, in real life is that the car engine. In a gasoline engine, chemical energy from fuel is converted into mechanical work, heat. For example, in mechanical work is that moving the car or moving in a vehicle, and for heat is released to the surroundings. The total energy remains constant in its change forms. Second law. Entropy disorder of an isolated system always increase over time. Heat flows naturally from hot to cold, not reverse. No process is 100% efficient. Some energy is always lost as heat. So in real life example, ice melting. When ice melts in a warm room, heat flows from the air hot to the ice cold, increasing the entropy. The system becomes more disordered. Structured ice turns into liquid water. Another another everyday example is refrigerators. When you put something inside, it will become cold. So when you dump it outside, it will become warm. So that's how it works every day in refrigerator. This requires energy input compressor because heat doesn't flow from cold to hot naturally. And lastly, the third law of thermodynamics. As temperature approach absolute zero, the entropy of a perfect crystal approach zero. Absolute zero Kelvin is unreachable in a practice. At 0 Kelvin, a perfect crystal would have only microstate, a maximum order. For a real life example for the third law, about supercooling. In lab, scientists cool materials close to absolute zero to study quantum effects. At these extreme temperatures, atomic motion nearly stops and entropy is minimal. While we never reach absolute zero understanding, this law helps in areas like quantum computing, superconductors, or space science. That's all. That's all. Thank you. The four law of thermodynamics.